Could it really be possible turning muscle, demolish stubborn fat, and ramp up their sexual performance just from running 16 minutes per week? The answer is yes. Breakthrough research has confirmed the 530% increase in growth hormone following this brand new anabolic running trick. Dear reader, what if I told you conventional running workouts are secretly sabotaging your fitness levels, piling on belly fat and killing your testosterone production? Would you believe me? What if I told you a simple 16-minute per week trick could give you the results you crave, like more muscle mass, less belly fat, better overall fitness and more testosterone pumping vascularity than a seasoned gladiator? Would you think I'm crazy? Well, first, let me introduce myself. Hi. I'm Joe Logalbo, and training for a half marathon almost ruined my marriage. This popular fitness practice not only killed my fun in the bedroom, but destroyed my physique and shattered my confidence as a man. It got so bad, my beautiful, newlywed wife accused me of falling out of love with her. Until one lucky day, I stumbled upon a weird anabolic running trick